but none will let me in. My babe lies cold within my arms, but none will let me in.
From One Genius to Another, September 1913, by W.B. Yeats. What need you, being come to sense, but fumble in a greasy till, and add the halfpence to the pence, and prayer to shivering prayer, until you have dried the marrow from the bone? For men were born to pray and save. Romantic Ireland's dead and gone, it's with OLeary in the grave. Yet they were of a different kind, the names that stilled your childish play. They have gone about the world like wind, but little time had they to pray for whom the hangman's knot was spun. And what, God help us, could they save? Romantic Ireland's dead and gone, it's with OLeary in the grave. Was it for this the wild geese spread the grey wing upon every tide? For this that all that blood was shed? For this Edward Fitzgerald died, and Robert Emmet and Wolfe Tone? All that delirium of the brave. Romantic Ireland's dead and gone, it's with OLeary in the grave. Yet could we turn the years again and call those exiles as they were in all their loneliness and pain, you'd cry, some woman's yellow hair has maddened every mother's son. They weighed so lightly what they gave. But let them be, they're dead and gone. They're with OLeary in the grave.
And you brought her as a girl, where I was a flower of the mountain. And I put the rose in my hair like the Andalusian girls used. Or shall I wear a red? And how he kissed me under the Moorish wall. And I thought, well, as well him as another. And I asked him with my eyes to ask me again, yes. And he asked me, would I, yes, to say yes, my mountain flower. And first I put my arms around him, yes. And drew him down to me so he could feel my breasts all perfume, yes. And his heart was going like mad. And yes, I said, yes, I will. Yes.
All I can say is that James Joyce would have been massively pleased. And I want to just say such a sincere thank you to Kevin O'Connor and to the company. Great friends and wonderful, wonderful performers, and they have given us such a great, great, great presentation. And to thank you all.